In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up high or low level boards in Monday.com. We'll make sure this is as straightforward and simple as possible, so even if you're just getting started with Monday.com, you'll be able to follow along without any difficulty. To begin, you'll need to head over to Monday.com. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and open your web browser and navigate to Monday.com. This is your entry point where all the magic starts. Once there, you'll see the option to log in. If you've used Monday.com before, this should be quite familiar. Simply click on the login button to proceed. For those of you who prefer a seamless login experience, you can make use of the Google login option. Click on Google and then choose your Google account to continue. This is a fast and secure way to access your dashboard without having to remember yet another password. Now that you're inside, it's time to locate your board. On the left panel, you should see a list of your boards. Browse through these until you find the one you're planning to work on. Clicking on it will take you to the central hub of activities within Monday.com. Once on your board, you'll want to navigate to the specific table or group you're working with. This section organizes your tasks and projects, making it easier for you to manage the flow and hierarchy of information. Now, let's add a new feature to your setup. Look for the plus icon, usually located at the top of your columns. Click on this icon to introduce a new column into your board. This step is crucial for setting up connections and enhancing the functionality of your board. After adding your column, we're going to set up a connection between boards. Click on the Connect Boards option. This feature allows you to link related boards together, helping you keep track of interconnected tasks across different levels, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. Next, you'll need to select which boards you want to connect. To do this, click on Select Boards and then choose the low-level board that you wish to link. Selecting the correct board is vital for proper integration, so take a moment to ensure you've chosen the right one. Remember to also check the box labeled Create a Two-Way Connection. This option guarantees that information flows both ways, keeping both boards updated with the latest changes and improving coordination. Finally, click on Connect Boards to finalize the setup. Now, your boards are linked, and you've efficiently organized your tasks across different levels in Monday.com. And there you have it. You've successfully set up high or low-level boards in Monday.com. With these connections in place, managing your projects becomes significantly more efficient, giving you more time to focus on what truly matters. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.